Ready to silence the world? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to transform your listening experience. These aren't just good. They offer industry-leading noise cancellation that truly mutes distractions, making your commute or workday blissfully quiet. Imagine focusing deeply on your music or podcast, completely immersed without the buzz of city life or office chatter breaking through. With an incredible 30-hour battery life, your music journey never has to stop, whether you're on a long flight or powering through multiple work shifts. Switching between your laptop and phone is seamless thanks to their multi-point connection capability, a true game-changer for productivity and entertainment. It's this combination of groundbreaking quiet, marathon battery, and effortless connectivity that sets the XM5S apart from other headphones on the market. Beyond the features, the audio quality is simply pristine, delivering rich, clear sound, while the lightweight design ensures ultimate comfort for hours. If you're searching for the best noise-canceling headphones for travel or daily use, these are a top contender. You can find the latest deals and more details by checking the Amazon link in the description below. Seriously, for unparalleled quiet, comfort, and performance, the Sony WH-1000XM5 is an absolute must-buy in 2025.